The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost, specifically the XR model, offers a remarkable advancement in cycling comfort and performance, particularly for road cycling enthusiasts. Designed with a focus on weight, durability, and user experience, this lightweight aluminum alloy seatpost is engineered to absorb shocks and vibrations, making long rides on uneven terrain much more enjoyable. Upon unboxing the KINEKT XR, the first aspect that stands out is its sleek, modern design. The finish is polished and aesthetically pleasing, providing a refined look that complements various bike styles. Weighing in at around 600 grams, it is impressively lightweight, which makes it an excellent option for competitive cyclists looking to shave off every gram without sacrificing performance. The aluminum alloy construction not only contributes to its lightweight nature but also ensures durability, promising years of use without the risk of corrosion or wear that can accompany other materials. The installation process of the KINEKT XR is straightforward. It fits most standard bike frames, and the user-friendly design allows for quick adjustments. The seatpost comes with clear instructions that even novice cyclists can follow, making it accessible for anyone looking to upgrade their bike. Once installed, the post remains secure, providing peace of mind during rides. What truly sets the KINEKT XR apart is its innovative suspension system. The post features a dual-spring mechanism that effectively absorbs bumps and vibrations from the road. During testing, I took the seatpost through various terrains, including gravel paths and cracked pavements, and the difference was immediately noticeable. The suspension system provided a cushioned ride, significantly reducing the impact felt by the rider. This feature is particularly beneficial for long-distance riders who often encounter uneven surfaces, as it minimizes fatigue and discomfort, allowing for longer, more enjoyable rides. Another commendable aspect of the KINEKT XR is its adjustability. The seatpost has an adjustable travel range, allowing users to customize the amount of compression based on their weight and riding style. This personalization ensures that riders can find the perfect balance between comfort and control, enhancing their overall cycling experience. Whether you prefer a firmer ride for competitive racing or a softer setup for leisurely weekend rides, the KINEKT XR can accommodate your preferences. Comfort is paramount in cycling, and the KINEKT XR excels in this area. The seatpost's ability to absorb shocks translates to less strain on the rider's back and joints, which is a crucial benefit for those who may experience discomfort during longer rides. I personally found that after several hours in the saddle, my back and hips felt less fatigued compared to my previous rigid seatpost. This is a game changer for endurance cyclists or those who frequently ride on rougher surfaces. In terms of performance, the KINEKT XR does not disappoint. The responsiveness of the suspension allows for quick adjustments during rides, particularly when navigating through obstacles like potholes or bumps. The post maintains stability, ensuring that riders feel secure and in control at all times. The dual-spring design effectively absorbs sudden impacts without compromising the overall handling of the bike, resulting in a smooth and confident ride. One potential downside to consider is the price point. The KINEKT XR is positioned at a higher price range compared to standard seatposts. However, when weighing the benefits of enhanced comfort, reduced fatigue, and the innovative design, many cyclists may find that the investment is well worth it. Riders who prioritize comfort, especially over longer distances or varied terrains, will likely appreciate the value that the KINEKT XR provides. Lastly, while the suspension system is incredibly effective, it may take some time for riders to adjust to the feeling if they are used to a rigid setup. Initially, the plushness can feel different, and some riders might need a few rides to fully appreciate the benefits. However, once accustomed to this new level of comfort, it becomes clear that the KINEKT XR is a step above traditional seatposts. In conclusion, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR is a transformative component for any serious cyclist looking to enhance their riding experience. With its lightweight aluminum alloy construction,